Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So this will be the part 2 of my barbecue chicken. So barbecue chicken or stewed chicken. So ayan na po, inaano ko na sa ano. So ito kinuha namin curry leaves, dadalhin namin sa kaibigan namin papunta sa Jeddah. Ipakita. Ayan na po siya, ginaano namin. So guys, maybe you was wondering why we put in on the fire. Guys, ayaw po namin yung niluluto sa charcoal. So we are cooking on the fire, on the top of the pan. So we just spread some margarine or butter, and so we do like this. We don't want to put on the charcoal like we do it on the charcoal. We don't like that. So what we like is like this. We just put in the pan and do it on the fire. So it's like that, guys. So diba, iwas itim, makakain mo ng malinis. So ganyan po yan. Hindi po kami kumakain. Yan po, diba, ang ganda. At ang bango na rin. At guys, babalik ako mamaya dahil ayaw ko yung amoy. So kailangan ko magbukas ng suspan. So yan po yung style. So that's how we cook it. So yan, see, look at, there is no like black burn or something. It's just like nice red and crunchy. So guys, if you wanna do a barbecue in the home, so just do like this. It's better, more tasty and more clean. It's look more like elegant na pagka barbecue ba. So this is how we look, see. So just spread some butter on the pan and do like this. It's more clean and it's tasty. So here is the already cooked already, and this the left. Guys, don't worry about the pan. It's easy to clean, more easy to clean. Just soak the pan in the water for few minutes. Everything is done. So don't worry about that dirt. It's going to be okay. It's easy to clean, guys. Look at, guys, it's easy to clean. Just pour water and for few minutes. Just do like that for few minutes. This will be vanished, all of that. So I'm not worried about to clean that at yan po. So it's okay. So now I'm going to fry the chicken because it's done. We are ready to eat now, and now we want to eat this one hot, like smoking, guys. So ayan na po yung the one I barbecue chicken. It's a more look clean, and this what we want. It's clean, like. So I already prepare everything. So that one with my tiny rice cooker, and this one we put already. So we're just gonna transfer to the nice plate and ready to serve. Ayan na po. So ayan yung I hit the chicken face already, and this chicken, like I always show you guys. So this sauce goes with this. This is peanut and something more ingredient, and this one is goose hair. This the plate for this one, and this one is goose hair. So I just put some protection here kasi I don't want to burn this one. We don't want to see like that because it's already before I burn somewhere else, and it's hard to change, and like it's a waste of money if we change just because we burn something later. And alhamdulillah, guys, see you later. I'm going to pray right now, and so we can eat lunch and go prepare ourselves because we are going to Jeddah. Guys, tapos na kami mag-lunch. As I promised, I told you guys before, is don't worry about your pan because easy to clean. Like if you do barbecue inside the home, it's easy to clean, you see. I don't even use a steel cleaning. Like it's just easy, really. Is I soak in the water and it's clean, easy. And right now I'm going outside to feed the chicken. No, feed the cat, the stray cat. So I don't have to keep the leftover today. So tomorrow we're going to cook fresh food because we don't have any more leftover. So I'm going to call the cat because it's hard to just give it like that because she's so aggressive. So I'm scared. So guys, so ayan po yan guys. So yun pa yung mga anak niya. Nakakatakot kasi masyadong bibigayin ko sana ng pagkain pero takot ako. Wait, don't come closer, I will give you your food. Come. So dito ko ilalagay yung pagkain niya na ibibigay ko. Wait, kasi takot ako guys. Bakit ko nilagay sa plastic? Kasi kung halimbawa na lalapit sa akin, ayan po siya. Ayan po. Wait. Yes, I will give you your food. Just wait for me. So, call your children. Okay, thank you. Okay, go eat na. Go eat. Go eat. Go now. Eat. Si Bismillah. Well, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Meng. Yes. So yan po yung sa mga anak niya. Meng. Go eat. Ayaw pa kumain Ayan po. Lumalapit na sila. Ayan po. Yung mga anak niya. Nilagay ko sa plastic yung pagkain nila kasi kung in case na tatakbo yung nanay, itatapon ko na lang yung plastic. Ibabato ko na lang. Yes, eat now. Ang init. So yan po sila. Meng! Meng! Ang init-init sa labas. Aywan. So guys, naibigay ko na yung pagkain ng pusa. Stray cat na yun. So magpapalit na ako ng damit kasi tapos na yung lunch namin. So pwede na ako magpalit ng lunch, damit. Okay, see you next time. I'm going to change right now because I smell sun. Oh wait, I forgot. So I'm going to change right now. See you guys next time to my next video. Nakalimutan ko guys na kakapasok ko pala. Uhaw na ako. So inom muna tayo para hindi na ako lalabas mamaya. Lalabas na lang ako pagka kasi doon na lang ako sa kwarto magpapalit ng damit. Sus. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As a Muslim guys, hindi po tayo pwede uminom ng tubig na nakatayo. So ganito po kami uminom. Hindi po kami nakatayo dapat. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and share and follow din po. Please subscribe na rin. Thank you guys.